Greetings and welcome to the Austin Lindsay channel. Today we are shooting a guest bedroom style out. So this is kind of what you'd find in a guest bedroom at somebody's house. Let me show you this lighting setup. So what I did actually at the beginning is start with kind of a wall of V-flats here through this window. Next to that we have our main light, and this has two diffuser flags on it because I didn't want the lines on the back wall to be super harsh from here. And same thing with down here on the floor. So, and then I have a light right here. This is our fill light. And then I have another wall just to like bounce in some of the light and to hide the view of the studio behind the windows. In front of that, we have another fill light to add some light on the front of the bed and kind of just in the front of the room here. This is another Profoto into a V-flat. I have this pretty far away from the V-flat because I wanted the light to really fill up the V-flat and then softly light the front of the room. Over here on camera left, I have a Profoto in a large softbox. This is probably 4.5 feet by 5 feet. And this is lighting up the left side of the room, just kind of giving some ambience over there. In the back here, I have another Profoto with a softbox. This is just a little bit smaller than the other one over here. This one's probably 3 feet by 4 feet-ish. And this is lighting up this little alcove here. In the image storyline, I kind of have the idea that's sort of a light or a window from this side. Also, we have these practicals right here. These are lighting up our nightstands. And then for this mirror, this is kind of a tricky mirror because there's a bunch of angles on the side, also the mirror face itself. So the mirror face has a V-flat right here blocking what you would see in the reflection. And then I have a light over here. This is another Profoto with a reflector on it. This one's just giving some gradient along the V-flat to create a nice gradient in the mirror. And then I also have a black flag here so none of the light spills too much on to the actual set. So I have this one here in the front main reflection. Over here I have another V-flat to reflect in this right side, camera right side angle. Then clear back over here, I have another V-flat. This is covering up the camera left side angle. And then hovering in the air here, I have another cutting, or I cut off a portion of a V-flat. And this is reflecting the bottom of the mirror. And then for the top of the mirror, I might just leave it as is. It's actually reflecting the floor, which is fine. I think that's kind of normal how it would be in a real scenario. So as for our camera, we have a 5D Mark IV, 24-70, parked at 50 millimeters. And then our settings are 1/125th of a second, f7.1, and ISO 400.